Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to change Facebook profile name. To do that, open the Facebook application. Once you're at the Facebook app, you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From there, you tap on Setting and Privacy. In Setting and Privacy, tap on Settings. This will direct you to the Setting and Privacy page of Facebook. And here you need to tap on Personal Account and Information. Here you will have the option to change your Facebook profile name. Tap on the name on top. You can see your first name, last name over here. Now if you remove it, you will be able to provide a new one over here. Type in a new name that you want on your Facebook. Tap on the last name and remove it. Now type in a new last name. You need to review these changes. If you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So, don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, character or random words. You cannot change it for another 60 days. So, once you have done that, tap on Review Change. You will get to change how your name will look on your profile. You will have the preview of Lexi Claire or Claire Lexi. If you want to choose the option, you can choose it from here. To save this setting, you will need to provide the Facebook password. Type in the password over here. And once it's done, you need to tap on Save Changes. With that, your name has been changed to a new one. There you can see. So this is how you can change Facebook profile name. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.